How to take password on Roblox. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application Roblox. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged into your account, now head over to More at the bottom right corner. Scroll all the way down and then move into Settings. Inside Settings, head over to Account Information at the very top. It will land you on the space where you'll be able to find all of the information. You can see the option of password. Click on this edit icon, but you can see that the password is not visible to you. Well, in order for you to see the password, what you gotta do is you have to move into the application password if you are using iOS device. Once you're in the space, in the search bar, search for Roblox. If you find the option of Roblox, then move into it. Click on password, and there you will be able to see the password of your account Roblox. But you have to make sure that you have already saved the password in this application, and then only you will be able to see it. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.